What's going on, guys? My name is Kyle for Techademics, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can password protect a folder in Windows 10. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is create a text document, and you don't have to call it anything for now, just open it up and there'll be a link in the description to copy and paste this code. So once you've copied and pasted this code into a text document, you want to find where it says password goes here. Okay, so you want to highlight all of this here, and you basically want to type in what password you want to use to protect your folder with. So I'm going to type in LOL123, and then what I'm going to do is go to File, Save As, and then where it says File, Save As Type, you want to click on All Files, and then you want to call it whatever you want. So I'm going to go to Pass, and then you want to make sure you put .bat at the end of it, and then we're going to click Enter. So we can remove this folder now, and we can remove the text document as well because we don't need that, and then that's going to obviously create your batch file. So in order to get the password protected folder, you want to open the batch file, and it's going to basically automatically create the folder for you. So it will say private at first, but you can call it whatever you want. Now if I open this file and I put something in there, so for example I'm going to put in a publisher document. Let's say I want to keep this private, so I'm going to close the folder, and then I'm going to open the bat file, and it's going to ask me if I want to lock the folder. So I'm going to type in Y and press enter. So what that's going to do is basically make the file hidden so you can't see it. Even if you go into your settings and set it so you can actually find hidden folders, it still won't actually show it. So if we want to access this folder, what we're going to do is open the bat file again, and it's basically going to tell me to enter a password. So we're going to enter the password we set, which is LOL123, click enter, and then the folder will simply reappear just like so. And it's as easy as that. Let's just say I've edited it again and I want to open the folder. Let's get rid of that. Sorry, let's say I want to make the folder hidden. Just click Y, and simple as that, it's going to disappear. So this bat file, you want to put this anywhere you like. You can put it in another folder if you wanted, and it still works exactly the same as it does here. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, and if you do have any problems, just leave a comment below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. Consider subscribing to see more videos like this. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.